guys, Clem here from Online Flooring Store with another little product update. This is on two products that we've had on our website for a long time now, and they've just done so well. The Inspire Hybrid and the Inspire XL Hybrid. You can see that these two colours are the same colour. This one here is a 1.2 metre narrow board. This is a 1.5 metre long longboard, both 6.5 millimetres thick, and both really great value for money. They're both very dependable. We've had them on our website now for a long time. You never have any issues with the product. So if you guys want to check out our Inspire and Inspire XL ranges, jump onto onlineflooringstore.com.au, reach out to us. Happy for you to give us a call, happy to send an email, just make contact with us and we'll have a chat with you about it. And as always, take care.